To merge the disks, right-click on the Start menu icon and select Disk Management from this menu. In this Disk Management, extend this window to get a better view. Now let's locate our drives. Let's say I want to merge my Disk 3 Volume G to my Disk 1. We need to go and delete the G drive, but first, let's back up its data, because deleting the partition will also delete the data stored in it. Just go and open your File Explorer, choose the This PC icon from the left side, open your preferred drive, in my case it's G. Move all of this data to somewhere else, or in the drive you want to merge its space. Now, again from the Disk Management, right-click on the drive you just backed up and choose Delete Volume. Click Yes to confirm, and now you will have an unallocated space. Now we go and right-click on the other disk, choose Extend Volume, and a new pop-up will open. Click Next, choose the disk from the available tab, then click on Add, choose Next, and simply click Finish to complete the process. Now these two disks will get merged pretty easily and you are done. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.